We're in the garage. Joe's on his knees with wood.
It's either wood or pipe. Yeah.
We're building something. And this is what we're building.
Wish us luck.
Yeah, but wish us luck. I don't know if you can tell if you look at this and instantly know what it is. Do you think they do?
I would hope most would.
Besides the fact that it's wood.
I would hope most would.
The concept.
Yeah, no pun intended. I hope most would.
All right, so here's what we're doing. I'm putting it on record right now. Somebody else is going to build this soon, and then you'll see it at an event. Just know that TR did it first. Right, Joe?
Yep.
Just know that TR did it first. All right, so this isn't anything new, by the way. Just a reminder. We're not inventing new shit here. We're just bringing back some old school shit is really what we're doing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting together this, and we're calling this Ride the Plank. And concept here is basically, you can see what Joe's laying out here. We're starting off with some, what is this, 2x6?
2x6.
2x6s.
Probably 5.5.
Yeah, so we're going to start with this right here. We're going to start with some 2x6s of about 6 feet, 5 to 6 feet of run to roll up onto. And then we're going to narrow it down to a 2x4. Mm-hmm. And the point is to ride the plank and to see how far it is that you can get. So you will, I think what we should do, Joe, to make it a little more challenging is only give them so much of a runway. Like a starting, like you don't, like, because if you go back and you get like...
Oh, yeah, you have to have like a 6-foot...
I think somewhere like around right here where I'm standing, like,
yeah.
Okay, we draw a little chalk line or something like that, and you go, okay, there's your starting point, and that's the only roller you get going into it. Because if you let them start from way back there, they can do 15 and just go whoop, 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 and just hit that thing.
Yeah.
So I think we in order for us to increase the difficulty just a little bit and keep it fun and like even, is everybody gets about a...
We'll say 6 foot.
I think something like this is a good enough start for you
That's about 8.
Because you don't want them hauling ass. No. But you don't want them getting too slow, but you need to figure it out between here and there, your speed, because once you get to there...
I think tomorrow is going to be like a test.
For sure.
So we'll probably start at 6, see how it does, and then go to 8, you know what I mean, then to 10, maybe back to
as
8.
soon as we're done with this, I'm going to try it on the bagger. I'm going to try it right there in the backyard. I'm going to give it a little pre-run. So,
just like you did the weenie bite rig.
Yeah.
We had the wife come volunteer.
Yeah. So this is what we're going to build really quick. Simple concept, simple 2x4 connected to some 2x6s. We're going to hinge it.
It's not going to be TR'd out yet.
No, we're going to paint all this stuff. Tomorrow we're just going to clean it a little bit, get some dust off. These things have been sitting on the side of my garage for years. So finally found a use for them. So 2x6s, it's going to roll into a 2x4. And if this turns out to be not challenging enough, Joe introduced the idea of either a 1x1, or we just extend this 2x4
a little further
to make it a longer run once you get onto the smaller part. Because, I mean, look at this wheel. This wheel is really barely like the width of that thing.
I might add like a 4. I have like a 4-footer.
And you got to keep the back one on.
I might add like a 1x1.
It's going to be harder than you look. I'll watch. Yeah, I will show you right now when I do it on the bagger, because you have to keep both wheels on. It's not take the front, not let the rear wheel drop off and then ride the front. Both wheels got to stay on the plank. So, yeah.
I think it's going to be a fun.
I think what'll be cool about this.
It's really hard if we at bike night because of that slant on the road there, which kind of makes our a little more difficult as well. Everyone's kind of adapted to it now, man. But at first, everyone was like, "Dude, this fucking."
Yeah.
Everyone was on that incline going, "Shit, man, what the fuck?"
But you know what they figured out, just like I did. If you can also use it to your advantage. If you go against it and you find that spot, you could just sit there and hold it. You just crank those bars. You're like,
Yep.
And you just hold it right there.
And once you get to the top, you just kind of roll straight.
And then you kind of roll it back down, and so you can play with it. So, all right. So this is the concept. This is the idea, and we're gonna bolt this thing together with the screws and the stuff that we have, and it'll be mobile, so we can fold it up and go. Coming to a West Coast Wednesday bike night, something to you. We're gonna just have this in the trailer. I got a kid yelling at me. I gotta go.
Ooh, first screws in.
First screws in.
Look at that.
Gonna go like whatever.
We still have all our fingers too. They might have dinner sooner than we thought tonight.
I gotta help Compa Chum.
Oh, Compa Chum's coming in
with his
that.
bars.
Fuck you, I just finished a bike.
Changing a set of bars after this as well. Okay. All right.
Let's see.
Money. Okay. See how that works? So the concept is so that we can keep this in the trailer and not take up all this crap ton of room. Maybe what we can even do is we could cut that later so it folds like smaller, because that, you know.
Yeah, but then we're just gonna have more speed bumps.
But you're right. This ain't gonna do shit. It shouldn't do shit.
If anything, it's gonna add to it. It's gonna be like a transition.
What happens if we flip it? It'll rock too much?
I think so. But well,
it's not too bad. We might be able to do it upside down also.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not bad.
Because you're gonna have more. If we flip it, you're gonna have one over here.
So then we got.
It would just be up a little bit.
We gotta figure out how we're gonna do it then.
Tomorrow we gotta play with it.
Well, we gotta figure it out because we're gonna cut that 45 right now.
Oh, okay. All right.
I kind of like that idea.
Just flipping it upside down.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's put this one on here then. We need to get this one even.
You want to cut that first?
The 45? Yeah, I guess we can.
Probably. I would.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, it's all right.
You think it's all right?
Yeah.
I think it's ugly as shit. All right. Watch Ray and Joe cut their finger off.
Oh, shit.
That battery may not last, though. Might have one. Put that battery in there to charge while I look. Give it all the help it needs.
You do here.
Dumb and Dumber right now. You ready, Joe? Hold on.
I'm ready like spaghetti.
Hold on. Okay, I don't want to put my fingers in the way.
Ready?
Okay, go. All right. Take two. See if how many fingers you got right now?
I got 10.
I got 10 at the moment.
I got 10 toes too. There it went. Take 3 in a minute.
Oh, fuck, that's going to take us forever to get through. I say for now, we don't have to do this. We can cut that shit later.
Yeah, let's just put it
I say we just run this for tomorrow for West Coast Wednesday, and we'll cut
address this later.
We'll address this at another time and another day, but let's
buckle it up.
Let's buckle it up for West Coast Wednesday. Compa Chum rolled up. We're gonna do some bars next on his bagger over here.
Now that I'm thinking about it, I think this one's gonna have to fold the other way.
Which way?
Because let's see.
Same way.
No, it's too long. See, it's not gonna let that one fold.
Let's flip them.
Yeah.
Take this one off.
That one's cut though now.
Oh, that's right. Son of a bitch. Not carpenters.
That's alright. Look. Do that. And then just put that one there. Like that.
And then just fold it the other way?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That'll work.
That'll work.
There you go, bud. All right. Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Think you gonna try this tomorrow?
What is this?
Do you know what? Okay, so that's good that he doesn't know. Kinda, sorta. Because it's not a giveaway. So this is going to be a new game we're going to introduce.
Is it going to be in the air or just on the floor like that?
I'd like to figure out now that you've said.
We're gonna put it in the air.
Now that you've said in the air, now I'm very interested on how I can make it be in the air.
If it's in the air, it's going to snap my phone.
It's not in the air, no. All right, so this is what we're going to call ride the plank on your motorcycle. Yeah. So what we're...
I get it.
Yeah. Now you get it, right? All right. So nothing new. I've done this before at other events and other shit. So
I was gonna say because anybody can stand on this shit.
no. You ride. So
your bike on. That's gonna be hard as.
all right. So those are some of the things we were thinking. One of the rules we were thinking of making was that's why we were cutting that for a little bit of a ramp, so you don't hit so much of a dead bump when we go. You know.
Well, now
See,
it's
and
a ramp.
I think what we should do,
Now
Joe,
we can see who can ride up it and off it.
we should cut it then, so we can fold it one more time, and then it's only this size. Like we'll put another hinge on it. I think to cut this piece in half. No,
Yeah, you want to try it?
I'll try it. Look at.
All right, you want to try it?
Let's try it. Let's try it. You need a dyno or something? A disadvantage right now. Bagger, fairing, can't see over it. You kind of just line up and just fucking go. That's the best advice I can give you
I
right
feel like
now.
it needs some
So it doesn't
some
rock side to
some
side.
angles off, like some fucking
I thought about that too. So that when you do
Some
fall
metal
off of it,
angles?
it doesn't roll.
like from just go to like the hardware store and get the little like metal angles. You know what I mean? That screw in, like they would hold like some wood together or something.
Like
that
90s.
pop tires.
Huh?
That pop tires.
No, not if it was flush and like freaking. It would be flush to the side right here.
Like some 90s, like some feet.
Yeah,
Basically like some little feet.
yeah.
No.
Well, it's I'll tell you this. I was worried about the length not being long enough. It's plenty long.
That's what she said.
It's I don't know, what is that, Joe? How many feet? Beginning to end.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3,
12,
12.
12.
12, 13. It's probably 13 feet.
Yeah, try it.
Probably 13 feet.
Yeah, probably 13 feet.
We'll see what happens.
All right, so lightweight
It'll be
bike,
fun.
Baggers. Here's it. Baggers, I'm telling you right now, you can't see the front over the fairing. Dynos will do a bit good. If you don't have a fairing, this will definitely be clutch because you can then see over and see your tire going on to it.
Yeah, so I think we need. I like it. Let's see, look these. So if it was like something like this, if it was something like this, but not a hinge and just was like that, you know what I mean?
For like feet.
Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Just something like that. Boom, right on the side, and then have one on each side, and then have like a couple of them,
Oh, I think I gotcha.
and they would just kind of keep it from
From rocking left
rolling.
and right.
Yep. I mean that wouldn't pop no tires.
So we just need to go find a 90 bracket of sorts.
Yeah.
Find a 90 bracket, and then we'll put one there, one there. We could probably put
Yeah.
one in the middle, and then one back there.
Yeah.
Just 3 sets of them to keep it stable. Because did it kick out a lot when the
Yeah.
tire came off?
When you come off, it rolls.
Gotcha. Okay. I see it, baby. All right. We're busting that out. West Coast Wednesday.
Yeah, that's coming out.
That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Let's
It's gonna be
post
a
it.
lot of fun.
We're gonna post it on story right now
It's
for
gonna
the
be a lot of fun
for the
because
Instagram.
a lot of people are going to be like, oh, that's easy.
So as you can see, our carpentry skills are not exactly, we're not carpenters by any stretch of the imagination. But we're going to just TR this thing up. We're going to throw some paint on it eventually. Tomorrow we're going to take this thing out. It folds up pretty easy. I think we should finish this cut at some point.
Yeah. And I think we should, like you said, once that saw has battery,
Yeah.
we'll cut it right here too.
So you can kind of see what we're trying to do here. My battery is just dead, but we're going to just roll it up for now.
A little more of a ramp.
But we're gonna cut it way back here so you can see there's more of a kind of a smooth up ramp onto it. Rather, we didn't want to have it just hit you. we had to cut it because if you did it, you'd have hit a board and it probably would have wanted to like scoot forward with the tire and shit. I don't know.
And I'd like to cut it right here too, like you said, put one more hinge.
I think so.
So should I try it or not?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Try it. Here goes Daniel. I mean, where did I get, Joe? Where did I get? I can't even tell where I got off.
Here.
Oh, I made it that far?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell. All right, you made it to here.
We're gonna have to carry a piece of chalk.
Yeah, and we'll just mark it right here, dude. Hey, you know what we should do? We should do like we should carry a Sharpie, and then you get to sign it. Like the person that's the longest, you get to put your initials on it or something. Every time, the record setter, the longest of the night will mark their shit, and then the next person who beats it, they put their initials.
As soon as I was about to hit the board, I couldn't see until this third board.
But that's what you gotta be looking at, because that's where you want to go.
Yeah, it's you want to look down, but you need to look ahead and just try and find. I don't think this is more about like trying to find your balance. You need to find the right speed and just plow through it. Because if you go too slow,
You're going
it ain't gonna work.
Yeah.
So we need to start. Okay, how much space is like? We don't want to give too much because that's the whole deal. We want to make it a little like you almost have to hole shot it. Bob!
It's gotta be like 10 feet out.
How much is that? That's what, 10 feet right there? That's a 10-foot rolling start. You didn't even get on it!
What happened? Just go back.
Oh, did it roll up on him?
Yeah.
Tilt your bike one way. Just tilt it to the side one way. Let me see which way to go.
Can it?
Oh, hold on there. Hold on there.
Look at Papa Joe.
Papa Joe. There you go.
Did you just fucking loud through it? Well, speed's not the answer either.
Well, no, it's not that you didn't even hit it. Like you hit right here. Your front wheel hit like right here, and so as soon as you hit it, it went like this.
Yeah.
Because all you did was hit this angle for it to go like that. So the feet.
We need some feet.
So what he had right
Yeah,
there
we
with
got
the
him.
brackets, we need to get some 90s for it, and that'll help stop it do that. So if you do hit it at that funky angle, you'll just kind of go off of it, and it won't roll underneath it like that.
Yeah.
See, this is all a learning thing, man. This is a learning thing.
I thought
Yeah.
you were gonna power out.
He's all, it's not speed. It's not speed.
Oh, good stuff.
All right, then.
All right.
All right, ride the plank. We're going to figure it out as we kind of go.
Maybe that'll be cut by tomorrow. Who knows?
Yeah. Fold that thing up. Look at that. Okay, so you got to take that and put it in your truck then. Because you got to put it in the trailer.
You can't take it on.
Hold on, let me move this bike out. All right, that's Ride the Plank. Coming to an event near you, wherever TR is at. There goes Joe. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to the trailer it goes. All right. Come try it out at your next event. Later.